Welcome back, guys. I'm your boy Mr. Talented Reid, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make some simple masks by using some socks. So today I go to Walmart and purchase some Fruit of the Loom socks, breathable. So you can see I have it here. So I'm going to use these socks to make a simple mask to prevent yourself from the coronavirus that's going around. So first, I pull out one of the socks. So you can see I'm going to pull out one right here. Okay, so this is socks right here. So socks like this is the best one to use. Alright, so first I'm going to cut. So I'm going to cut it about right here. So fold it like this and cut. Okay, and then I'm going to cut it at the shorter side. Cut it across. Okay, and then I'm going to open it up. So it looks like this. Oh, hold on, so, okay, alright. I fold it like this first. Alright, I'll cut this side also. Alright, so now you have a perfect mask. So that's your cover on your neck. Cover your nose. So that's how you made a simple mask by using socks. So thank you all for watching. If you find this video useful, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.